Welcome to the beginning of a remarkable industrial journey. Beneath these vast, fertile fields, nature has spent months cultivating one of the world's most beloved ingredients, raw potatoes, now ready for harvest. As the morning mist fades, massive harvesting machines arrive, initiating a powerful mechanical cycle. These giants move with precision, digging deep into the soil to uncover the hidden crop beneath. In one seamless motion, the soil is lifted and separated, revealing streams of raw potatoes rising from the surface. The harvest is fast, efficient, and relentless. Vibration systems shake away excess dirt, ensuring only clean raw potatoes continue toward the next stage of processing. Vibration systems shake away excess dirt, ensuring only clean raw potatoes continue toward the next stage of processing. A continuous flow of earthy brown potatoes pours into the transport. This marks the first step in transforming simple crops into perfectly crisp potato chips. From field to factory, the transition is immediate. The gates open to a world of stainless steel, automation, and precision engineering. Gravity takes over as tons of raw potatoes cascade into the intake system. Sensors regulate the flow, maintaining a constant rhythm across the entire production. The cleaning phase begins with force and elegance. High-pressure water jets strike every surface, removing soil while preserving the integrity of the raw potato. Rotating drums and industrial brushes polish each potato to perfection. Every movement is calculated, ensuring hygiene and consistency. Next comes the transformation of form. Steam peeling technology rapidly loosens the skin. Within seconds, centrifugal systems strip away the outer layer, revealing clean, smooth potatoes ready for slicing. The peeled potatoes move forward on high-speed conveyors. Uniformity is everything. Each potato is aligned and prepared for precision cutting. Now, we enter the heart of the operation. Inside the slicing chamber, high-speed rotary blades spin at incredible velocity. Each potato is instantly transformed into perfectly uniform potato slices, identical in thickness down to fractions of a millimeter. The slices fall into a flowing water system. This step removes excess starch, preventing sticking and ensuring optimal frying performance. Turbulent currents keep every slice separated. Nothing overlaps, nothing clumps. Every piece is prepared for perfection. Emerging from the water, the slices spread across a vibrating mesh conveyor. A curtain of high-pressure air strips away moisture, leaving the slices dry and ready. The temperature rises. Ahead lies the fryer, the most critical stage of transformation. As the slices enter the hot oil, an explosive reaction occurs. Moisture rapidly evaporates. Bubbles surge across the surface as the slices begin their transformation into fried potato chips. Inside the continuous fryer, heat is precisely controlled. Every chip is cooked evenly, guided by automated paddles and timed to perfection. Color deepens, texture hardens. The raw slices evolve into golden, crispy fried potato chips. Emerging from the oil, the chips travel upward. Excess oil drains away, followed by advanced de-oiling systems that refine the final texture. Cooling tunnels stabilize the structure. This is where the signature crunch is formed, a defining characteristic of a perfect chip. A river of golden chips now flows forward. Next comes flavor. Inside massive rotating drums, seasoning is applied with scientific precision. Fine salt and flavor powders are distributed evenly across every chip. Electrostatic technology ensures total adhesion. Every chip becomes a perfect balance of texture and taste. The chips tumble gently, absorbing flavor from every angle. Consistency is not optional, it is engineered. Now, the chips are ready for packaging. Multi-head weighing systems calculate exact portions in milliseconds. Each drop is measured with absolute precision. Packaging machines form bags from printed film in a continuous motion. The chips fall into place, perfectly portioned. Nitrogen gas is injected into each bag. This preserves freshness, prevents breakage, and locks in the crunch. Heat sealing completes the process. Each bag becomes a sealed unit of flavor and quality. The finished products move along the conveyor. Inspection systems scan every package for safety and accuracy. Defective units are instantly removed. Only perfect packaged potato chips continue forward. Robotic arms take over. Boxes are filled, sealed, labeled, and stacked with incredible speed. Pallets are formed with perfect balance, ready for global distribution. Inside the warehouse, automation dominates. Autonomous vehicles transport products efficiently across the facility. From factory to retail, the journey continues. Shelves are stocked.
These ones go right here on aisle 3.
Got it. Looks like you're almost out of the barbecue.
Hey, careful there. They're just too good. I can't stop eating them.
Yeah, pass that over here.